Hi my sweet people, today's video is on this matcha chocolate chip cookies, and if you want to know how I made this, just keep on watching. The items needed for this matcha cookies will be flour, matcha powder, vegetable oil, cornstarch, baking powder, baking soda, vanilla extract, brown sugar, chocolate chips, butter and eggs. You can get your mixing bowl and add in your butter and your brown sugar. Using a beater, you can mix it and just ignore the shaking because trying to figure out a new way to do my filming, but still haven't gotten the hang of it yet. So yeah, using a beater actually makes the cookies more fluffier than using your hands. Actually, I've tried that and it becomes flatter than it does when you use a beater, so I always prefer to use a beater. Once you've used the beater to mix both the butter and the sugar, you can add in your vanilla extract and your egg. Just mixing as I go, and once you mix that, you can add in your baking powder and your flour in batches. Next, you can add in your corn flour and your baking soda. Also add in your vegetable oil. Once that's all mixed in, you can start to add your matcha powder. So I'm only using 2 tablespoons, but you can actually use 3 tablespoons. So I didn't want it to be so concentrated on the matcha taste, although it didn't really turn out to be so strong. So maybe if you want stronger, then a stronger taste of the matcha, then you can add in another tablespoon. But this was quite mild, so it wasn't really the matcha taste wasn't really there, so I couldn't really taste it in the beginning, but you know, once you eat it then you can taste it. So I really like the batter, it's really so soft and smooth. And then now you can add in your chocolate chips and just mix it in. Next, you can prepare your pan and add your cookies. So I'm just using like a tablespoon size or a little bit smaller, so I didn't want the cookies to be too big. Then once you're done, you can start baking. You can bake at 150 Celsius for 20 minutes, and the cookies look green now, but after baking it, it really looks a bit golder than the green, so it's like a very dirty green kind of thing. So cookies really turned out nice, and this was kind of a request to make this, and I tried my best to make it like the famous Amos cookies. So if you want to try this, definitely try this and let me know how it felt. That's the end of my video, guys, and thank you so much for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.
She likes chocolate covered strawberries and wine. She likes notes that say I love you all the time. Roses at your feet, baby girl be mine. Baby girl be